So I want you to understand a concept that has helped me for many years. I learned this in one book that I read in 2017. The author made a statement, and that statement have lived with me for a long time. He said, the people you're looking for are also looking for you. The people you're looking for, they are also looking for you. The customers you're looking for, they are also looking for you. That statement changed my view of doing business. I believe that the product I have, I need buyers for this product. Now there are buyers who have the cash. They say, I need where I can buy this product. That is how the world is. In the Bible told us that there was a man, an ancient prophet. The man lived for many years. And all he needed, he was praying and saying, God, I want to see the salvation of Israel. I want to see that boy or that baby that will come and save Israel. And the Bible told us that the man did not die. God said, you will not die until you see that baby. And the Bible told us when Jesus was born, he went to the temple. The Spirit told the prophet that go to the temple, you also meet this baby that you have been praying for. So the man went there, saw Jesus Christ as a baby, took him to his arm, and said, God, I cannot die. I'm happy now that I've seen what I've prayed for. Now you have been praying, you have been making research, and that is the reason why you are watching me now. You have been making research on how to get international buyers for your charcoal. You have been doing charcoal business for many years locally, and you want to expand your market. You want to reach out to a global market. You don't want to be a local champion. You want to start earning in dollars, in euros. And it is a good dream. Those people in euros who are using charcoal on daily basis are also praying. They have been fasting and praying for many years. God, connect me to a source in which I can buy affordable charcoal, in which my company will make more profit. We have been doing this business for many years, but we are not making much profit because where we are sourcing this thing, this is the person you are looking for also praying. We have been sourcing this charcoal, it's expensive, and maybe the suppliers are not even consistent, they are not giving us quality. So I also need buyers. Now God have connected you to this video so that you can see how you can reach out to these people. So I am the bridge between you and the people who have been crying to come across to you. So give me a little of your time. If you're busy, please, you can download this video and watch when you're less busy, because you want to watch this video and follow the site, because I'm going to share with you website, trusted website. There are many other places, but these are trusted website that I know some of my friends have gotten international client partners from. I will be sharing them with you so that you too can test out this market. And I'm also going to show you how to make these people buy from you. What are the things that you need to have? Because remember, you people are working online. They have not come to see you. Then how are you going to do that? Even if they are going to come, they will be confident enough to book a flight where they are to come and meet you in your country to do business with you. So this is what I'm going to show you in today's episode. So all you have to do is to stay connected, watch carefully. So how are you going to get international buyers for this charcoal that you have? Now, when we speak about charcoal business or charcoal exportation business and show people that this is a $1 billion industry, some other people tend to be emotional. They want to use emotional blackmail to stop some of us from speaking, but I know they are speaking out of ignorance, because in their mind they are trying to protect our climate. They are saying destroying of trees to make charcoal and sell, we are destroying vegetation which will affect our climate. Now when you check, such people that make this statement, they have not planted a single tree since they were born. Since they were given birth to, they have not planted one tree in their life. They have the land, the soil is good, they have not. But their own is don't cut down trees. They don't know that making charcoal is not just made from cutting down of trees alone. It is made from rice hulks, it is made from wood shapes, it is made from many waste in agriculture. It's made from palm kernel, the back, the palm kernel crack, or let me say palm kernel shape, charcoal is made from it. Now, just imagine if you're from Nigeria, the volume of the pancaned chaff that you have in your community is wasting. If you come to my community, Benue State, Makurdi to be precise, you will see a hill of rice husks. Nobody have thought of what can we do to it. They will just burn it there. For donkey years before I was born, these things has been there. I just discovered recent, just that you two might be listening, that I can actually turn that to charcoal. And that charcoal is even more better than even the one that will cut down trees to do. They are reusable. That is, you can burn them now, off them when you are done, and reuse them so many times. They are called charcoal barricades. Many countries, advanced countries, this is what they even prefer. People use them for marinating their meat and many other things. And these are the things that I want you as an intelligent entrepreneur should be looking at. Not just cutting down trees. Now, if you come to my village where we are farmers, now I'm talking about cutting down trees now. For example, where I'm going to cultivate my cassava this year, it's a thick forest. Work has not been done on that place. The land has been idle for many years. Since I was born, I'm not sure my parents have farmed on that land up to 2 times. It's a large land. We are doing more than 15 hectares of cassava on that land. So why am I sharing with you? We are going to cut down all the trees to plant cassava. Because our cassava that we are going to do to feed you and other people will not do well in that thick forest. We need to cut down the canopies so that the cassava will do well. So now what happens to the wood that will cut down? You that is emotional, do you want us to just leave it to rot and turn to sand and dust? No. These are the wood that in my community people use to make charcoal. These are the wood. They are hardwood. People burn them to make charcoal. And that is the same thing I'm going to do with the one I'm cutting from my farm. So these are other ways people get charcoal. In your city where you're staying, plant trees there. Plant mango, plant oranges, plant guava trees. These are trees that can preserve our climate. And not just the thick forest that we farmers are using to produce food. And not just that, where people can pack wood shapes. If you go to timber shades in our country, you see so many, they are burnt to ashes, of which you can go there, pick those things and turn them to charcoal. They are called charcoal barricades. I'm also going to make a video to show you how you can make step-by-step guide on how you can make charcoal barricades. So now let's dive into website where you can get your international clients. Number 1, you go on Alibaba.com. You search Alibaba.com, search charcoal. When you search charcoal, you're going to see companies that are into charcoal. Those companies, they are packaging and exporting charcoal. Get their contacts, reach out to them with a good proposal. A good proposal. Don't send a random email. They might not respond to you. And that is the reason why I expect that if you want to send this proposal to you, you can get an expert to write it for you, which is also my job. I write business plan and proposal for clients, for people that want to reach out to people for contracts. So if you want me to write a proposal for you, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will write a proposal that can make those people see and do business with you. So you send this proposal to all the companies. There are many. As many as possible, you can send proposal to them. It's free. Sending proposal does not cost you. You just send it to their email. So you send to all those companies explaining who you are, what you do. That is just a proposal and what you can do for them. Show them evidence that you are legit. That is what you need to do for you to start making money. For you to start getting those international people to listen to you. You don't go to them and send random email that does not have a proper structure. No, send a written proposal to them. Now, when you go to Alibaba, you get those companies. Then another website is called hotfrog.com. Hotfrog.com is an international website where many countries, people go there to buy product, connect with buyers, there is business connection. People get partners there. So you can also go to that website, do the same thing you have done on Alibaba.com. Just search, type charcoal. And this even double down to other commodities that you might have. It could be palm oil. Just search the commodity there. You see people that are already using it or people that are already into the business. They are your market. Reach out to them and give them an offer that is maybe cheaper than what give them an offer that they will not resist. That is just it. Then another website is pajiva.com. Pajiva.com is also an international website where people from different continents, different parts of the world come together to do business. Some come to sell, some come to buy. Now you are going to sell. So search for people that are buyers and send them emails that you have this product. And then they will be able to reach out to you. Another one is eword.com. So eword.com is also a good site where you can go there, search this thing. All of these, they are the same thing. It's just repetition. Once you are able to crack the code of reaching the site, seeing the people that are there. Now, this site will even show you countries that are searching that site. You see countries like India. You see people like Germany. You see people from different parts of the world coming to that site. Now, some of these sites, you will need to pay money for you to be able to display your product. Such ones, if you don't have the money, you can leave it and use maybe their free plan. But if you have money, you can pay and see what, because you are looking for people that are also looking for you. So you need to pay money to reach out to them, you pay. Then another one is globalbuyersonline.com. globalbuyersonline.com. So globalbuyersonline.com, they are also international buyers of different commodities. Could be charcoal, clothes, food, anything. So just search them. Your own is to get their emails. Some of these companies, they even post. Now when you go there, also look at how you should also position your business, because some of them, when you go there, you will see that their Instagram page is there, their Facebook page is there, their WhatsApp number is there. So it's easy for you to reach out to them from all these medias and show them what you're also doing. So if you reach out to them on Instagram, tag your Instagram page. Let them see that your good is charcoal. Another site is exportportal.com. Exportportal.com. There too, you can get international clients. Just search them and reach out to them. Amazon.com is also another potent and trustworthy site. These are sites that nobody will scam you. These are sites that, even, of course, there might be scammers there, but you also need to be very careful. You're not selling your product before they pay you money. There is going to be a negotiation in which everyone is protected. You can get your lawyers involved so that nobody is being scammed. So that you not load 40-feet container of charcoal and send to someone that you have never met and the person will block you. So you can see that this business, there is fear from every end. You are also afraid. They are also afraid of you. So there needs to be a level playing ground for everyone. Transparency in this business. So you should have a site where these people can visit. If you visit an Instagram page of a company that has been doing it for 10 years with millions of followers, with good testimonials, it's very difficult for that company to come and scan you of your 20-feet container. You have the confidence that they are going to do business with you. So from your end, if they come, they should also see that you are a trustworthy person, you are a legit person. You can be a honest person, but they don't know you. You need to show them. My apostle will say you cannot doubt what you see, but you can doubt what you hear. So if you just tell me, I will doubt. But if you show me proof of what you have been doing, tag your customers that you have supplied to them before, I will be able to do business with you. And if you're a beginner, this is the right time to prepare yourself. What those companies have done that have made you to reach out to them, do it. Do you have a website? Go and get a website. Do you have a social media presence? Go and do it. Are you posting your product? Post it, because they are doing it too. And another thing is you can search for restaurants. There are restaurants in UK, in US, in China that they don't use gas. They can show you that they use charcoal to cook their food. There are restaurants like that. You can search them. Restaurants that use charcoal barricades. You can see them. You see their email. Reach out to them. Make them a proposal. Drop a proposal to them. Show them that you can supply this thing to them. Let them see. Show them proof. Show workings. Not just tell them that I have charcoal plenty in my village. No. They might not buy it. They will not even reply you. But if you show how rich your site is, how long you have been doing the business, you drop your TikTok account, they will go and study it. They might not even respond to you first. Let's study this person to see whether we can buy, because the offer is giving us is cheaper than what we have been buying here in the UK. And when they search and see that you are legit, you have been doing it, they will send you good money. They can say, okay, take 50%, supply to us, we pay you this. And when you do that, the international doors has opened for you. God have answered your prayer that you have been praying for many years. So you don't just pray and sit down one place. You pray and then educate yourself so that you can know the steps that you need to take. The blessing and God, the touching of the heart of your client, that one is God's business. Your business is to play your own part, sending a well-written proposal to them, having your website arranged, having your social media present arranged. Then you can pray and say, God, I've submitted my proposal, touch the mind of my client so that they can do business with me. That is how to get international buyers. There is no shortcut to this. Don't listen to any shortcut. A journey of 40 days might take you 40 years if you are looking for a shortcut. Just follow the due process. What those people are doing there, use it and do it here now in Africa. There is huge demand for African charcoal because most of our wood are hardwood, and they know that if they buy this charcoal, they can use it multiple times. It will save them cost. So they are looking for us, and we have it wasting in our communities. Get on board, arrange yourself, and start pushing this charcoal to them. You can build your business around this solely and make a lot of money. So thank you for watching. I believe you have gotten value from this video, and if you have done, share it. That is the best you can do for me and for some of our African brothers. Share it so that they can also see it. When they see, some of them might end up building a business and maybe thank you later and say, you help me. Share it on your social media platforms. They can see it and say, in 2025, you share this post, I watch, I follow the step, and now I've built $1 billion company because of you. So this is how we can develop our country, develop our community, and help other people make money. So thank you for watching once again. I remain Denison, your billionaire farmer, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.